Welcome back to Primetime News and a very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Now, first this evening, the Met Service says the current official forecast track for Hurricane Beryl nudges the system to the north, increasing the chance of the eye of the hurricane passing over southern sections of the island. Now, the country remains under a hurricane warning, with heavy rainfall expecting to begin affecting the island early Wednesday morning. Now, Romain is here to give us a better understanding of what to expect. So, Romain, what kind of conditions can we expect, and when do we see that's really starting?
Hurricane conditions are expected to be affecting the island as early as tomorrow morning. We expect strong showers, winds, typical conditions of a Category 3 system. It's currently a Category 3 system as it moves into the Central Caribbean and just south of Hispaniola.
Which means that we're expecting to see a downgrade of the storm, because currently it is at Category 4.
Initial forecasts did have it at a Category 3 passing just south of the island of Jamaica in the evening tomorrow. So we're holding those forecasts from the Hurricane Center.
But chances are it could also intensify.
It could also intensify, or it could also maintain itself as a Category 4 system just south of us.
Landfall is also a possibility based on what we're seeing?
Yes, the Met Service does expect that the eye of the system should be passing over the southern portion of the island, that's southern coastal areas, particularly sections of Clarendon and also some sections of Manchester, that's southern Manchester and southern Clarendon.
Just break down for my viewers, because they'll hear the term landfall versus offshore. What kind of difference in the experiences they'll have based on those two scenarios?
When we say landfall, we mean that the eye of the system actually passes over land. So even though you will have the outer bands affecting sections of land masses, it's the eye of the system that really does define whether a system makes landfall or not.
All right, and just paint again for my viewers where exactly we'll feel the brunt of the impact of the storm as it goes past the island?
We expect most of the south to feel the heaviest effects. We also do have some strong showers and thunderstorms expected across sections of the northeast, but we're not ruling out weak conditions across the island at all.
Certainly, and of course this continues to develop, because as it progresses we're hearing different things happening. Of course we'll keep you updated, and of course Romain will have more details in the weather report and forecast a little later on.